Okay, guys, this is exam 1, question number 10. Use modus ponens or modus tollens to fill in the blank in order to produce a valid argument. And then we have our statements. So let's start by reminding ourselves what each of those are. What is modus ponens? Well, this is if P then Q, given P, we can conclude Q. That is modus ponens. And it makes sense. If the sun is shining, then I don't need a jacket. The sun is shining. Therefore, I don't need a jacket. Right? And so modus tollens is sort of the opposite of this. If P then Q, not Q, therefore not P. Okay? And so again, using our example, if the sun is shining, then I don't need my jacket. I need my jacket, therefore the sun is not shining. Okay? So these are the two basic forms, but let's say you didn't remember that. How would I attack this problem without, if I was worried that I had not remembered these correctly? Well, I know that this is an if-then statement, right? So I'm going to start by just, I know that it's going to be one of these two, right? It starts the same. So I'm going to say, I'm going to assign my predicates. So I'm going to start with P. If she did not know the answer, so she did not know the answer is P. Then she would have asked for help. So Q would be, she would have asked for help. Now, using these predicates, we can sort of fill in what are we dealing with. So what this first statement is if P then Q. We know that. We have a blank. And then she did know the answer. Notice how that's the opposite of P. Right? So P is she did not know the answer, and we're concluding that she did know the answer. So that is, we conclude not P. So this is modus tollens, because we're working sort of backwards. That's sort of how I view modus tollens, right? We're starting with our, not conclusion, but the end of the conditional, and then working our way backwards. So the only thing that fits here is not Q. Okay. So not Q. So what goes in the answer? Well, let's find the opposite of Q. She would have asked for help. So Q then, the opposite, I'll do that. Opposite is equal to she did not ask for help. Right? Isn't that the opposite of she would have asked for help? And so that is what goes into the blank. Okay, and we're done. That's it.